Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor as well as associate and professor vacancies notifications from the 8 different government universities, so which is having nearly 500 plus faculty posts are there. And here the few universities are providing the permanent vacancies as well as a few are providing the contractual basis vacancies. And if few colleges are providing the UGC pay scale, guys. So let us check the list of the colleges which announce the vacancies. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. The present content of the video. So here this from the Still Outlook website, we got this notice, guys, and you may check down almost out of these 8 universities, already few universities I mentioned in the previous video. So if any one of the university is not covered, then you may check down in this list, guys. Okay. So, I mean, in this pandemic situation, it is very, job market is very under stress. That means very less number of vacancies are announcing. So, however, there are some opportunities are available for the teaching post or the faculty post. As on 15th May 2021, there are 8 government universities or the colleges are recruiting the faculty post, and the total number of faculty posts are available are more than 500, and the eligible candidate should not miss this opportunity, as government universities or colleges offer the good amount of or else a good number of career offers here. And these universities include some central universities and one IIM and one state public service commission. So let us check the list of the colleges, guys. English and Foreign Languages University, total 52 faculty posts are there. And next one is IIM Jammu, and next Indian Institute of Foreign Trade 16 posts, and Tripura Public Service Commission 42 assistant professor posts, and Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gorakhpur University 117 faculty posts are there, and Acharya Narendra Dev College of University of Delhi 41 assistant professors, and Swami Shraddhanand College of University of Delhi 90 assistant professors, and Delhi Skill as well as Entrepreneurship University 30 faculty posts are there. So nearly 500 plus faculty posts are there here. And coming to the English and Foreign Languages University, it is from the Hyderabad guys. So it is announcing the professor associate as well as assistant professor vacancies from Hyderabad, Shillong as well as Lucknow. So from 3 different campuses. Here the total number of vacant posts are 52, backlog 14 and regular 38. Okay, and the last date for receiving this one is 18th May 2021. And the next one is Indian Institute of Foreign Trade recruiting the faculty post. So it has announced the recruiting of faculty post, and the last date is 26 May 2021 for the professor as well as the assistant professor vacancies. And coming to the Tripura Public Service Commission, it reopened the application for hiring 40 assistant professor vacancies. So you may check down. Previously, the closing date of submission of online application is 15th May. Now the closing date is 31st May 2021. So here the total 40 assistant professor vacancies are there. And coming to the IIM Jammu, so this one also posts are available for the professor associate as well as assistant professor vacancies, and the last date is 6 June 2021. And from Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gorakhpur University, total 117 faculty posts are there. Out of this one, 44 are the assistant professor vacancies, and the closing date of this one is 10th June 2021. And next, there is opportunity for the NET holders or else the PhD holders in Acharya Narendra Dev College of University, so which is hiring the 41 assistant professor vacancies, okay, across the 9 departments, and the last date of receipt of application is 2 weeks from the date of publication of the advertisement in the employment news. And there is one more opportunity for the NET or the PhD holders in Swami Shraddhanand College of University of Delhi. Total 90 assistant professor vacancies are there across the 17 departments, and here the last date for receipt of application is 2 weeks from the date of publication of the advertisement in the employment news. And next one is Delhi Skill as well as Entrepreneurship University recruiting the 30 faculty posts, including the 15 assistant professor vacancies. Okay, so out of this one, assistant professor 15, associate 10 as well as a professor 5 are there, and the closing date is 20th May 2021. So total these are the 8 universities, okay, which are offering the assistant professor, associate as well as the professor vacancies right now, guys. So if you want to get the departmental wise vacancies and as per the caste category wise vacancies, so please go into the individual official website, okay, by searching in the Google. Fine, okay, you can find out. So what is the age limit and what is the pay scale, whether it is a contractual or else it is a regular one, okay, and what is the application procedure and how much application fee is there, okay, and only online application is enough, or else the hard copies has to send to the universities. Okay, so to check all these details, you have to visit the official websites of this one, guys. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide